guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back.
Tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
So what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to bring to you a review for Javy coffee. So if you've been on any of my social media, you have seen that I have been posting about Javy coffee. Listen girl. So I ended up receiving it last Thursday, so about a week ago, and I wanted to test it out. So I done tried it 3 times to make sure your girl truly likes it before I bring it to you. So I was so gracious when Javy coffee reached out to me and they ended up sending me one of their bottles. So I ended up receiving the Javy coffee concentrate in the flavor original, and that one bottle, you guys, has 35 servings. Yes, 35 servings. Now on the website it does say they have different flavors on there too as well, which I have not tried out quite yet. But if any of those Javy coffee concentrate is like this one, your girl gonna be checking them out. Now, did I mention that they are actually gluten-free? Yes, because I know some of us, gluten be doing us wrong. They're eco-free, they're dairy-free, and they are sugar-free. So I have been on my weight loss journey, so I have been cutting out sugar. So when I seen this, girl, I was excited. So each serving is only 5 calories. 5 calories, y'all. 5 calories. So I'm super excited about that. Now, what I love the most about Javy coffee, it is very convenient, very easy, very versatile, and you can make it on the go. So all you need is like 2 teaspoons of Javy coffee into your water. Now, I'm going to show you guys a recipe that I made that I got from their Javy coffee website, and how I made it my own. So keep in mind, I made sure that it didn't have any sugar in it, because once again I said it's sugar free. But keep in mind, if you like that sugar, girl, you can add it to yours. I personally didn't, so I'm going to show you what I made. Alright, so I'm going to start off by just adding some ice cubes to my glass, because girl, it's like 80 something degrees right now and your girl ain't got time for hot coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water to my glass. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of the Javy coffee concentrate in the flavor original, and yeah girl, I wasted it. Now I'm just adding 1/4 cup of oat milk, but you can add whatever type of milk that you prefer. And to top it off, I'm going to use my non-dairy ready whip made with coconut milk, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some ground cinnamon. Now to make it sweet, you can go ahead and add some stevia, which is what I like to do. I just didn't do it on this day, but that's how you'll make it sweet. Okay, so I have made this coffee 3 times like I told you guys, and I absolutely love it. Now I went onto their website, so I wanted to tell the girls or the guys what type of flavors they have. So they do have the original flavor, like it's the one I have, French vanilla, caramel, mocha, and also decaf. So if you try to stay away from the caffeine, they got it for you. If you love caramel, they got something for you. If you like French vanilla, they got it for you. Now, I wouldn't even be right if I didn't tell you guys that, because if you guys use my code, you get 20% off, which I'll leave it right here on the screen. So you need to go ahead and head right on over to www.javycoffee.com and order yours, girl. So 1 bottle of Javy coffee currently right now is $24.95. Now that is not a bad price, and why I say that is because, girl, a cup of coffee for me when I go to my other places is way more than $8. It's like, maybe, I'm not gonna say way more, it's like $8 of coffee, and I drink coffee almost every other day. So you do the math, you add it up, compared to just buying this bottle of Javy coffee concentrate. Get 35 servings for 25 bucks plus shipping and handling. But if you use my code, once again, you do get 20% off. So I truly love Javy coffee, so I'm sure you will too. So make sure you just head on to the website and get you some too, girl, and let me know in the comment section down below if you ordered it too. So like I said, it's very easy, it's convenient, it's sustainable. I mean, it's versatile, should I even say. Most importantly, it is affordable. Now you can go to javycoffee.com and they have tons of recipes. So if you can't think of any, or maybe you want to try something a little different, just go to their website, and on their website they also have different recipes for you to try out, so you can find the mixture that you love. So I truly love Javy coffee. I've been using it now for a week, y'all. A week. I have been making it. It is so simple, like easy peasy. Make it, I'm out the door. And then it's pretty, girl. All the aesthetics, girl, yes. So make sure you go ahead and once again go to javycoffee.com and order yours. So girl, I ain't got nothing else to tell you, but I like it and I know you will too. So if you like this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
Wake up in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.